Yada say yamma wakwa babiem Emra Adom TV.
Over 24 hours. Men pay attention to Adom. Over 24 hours. But men pay attention. And Pempenzobi or do Abraboma. I refuse to be tissue. I know one being war. A human so children. So do that stage. Remember the day. Command I say, men, the end of the day, pop me. And I
Yada say yamma wakwa babiem Adom TV bedroom na ocean or my dear no dear or beya a beg ginger spirit. It is also bet to me a Kenya or spirit and na ye kwabnani abnada. It will be say a man in young one. Yada say pa mrani adaje our day my radio for suit 97.3 and 97.1. 97.1 radio for suit. Ye chachi amo ye mamwache. Emamu akwaba ade achi bia wanya afe ade achi bia wanya afe the radio say eya akwanya kese pa wanto a wantua tu sori a fa sedama no onye ohwe wana na sia onka hwe but efe wo nipa mpo ya ade ma obi a sa wo hwe se nipa no be appreciate you the nyame ase no wa bebre unhunu nye ni nyina na unhu enye sika na wanya nti na nyame nye bi ma wo nyama bebre nkwanhia bi oyiwa firim ti de awurade ase mede afia amankwa tamaklo mene o mahene kwabna asante ne gina ha bedwam ya hya ase 5:30 ne aba 5:40 45 na apostle dr Nita Kutegwa aba ti 5:50 ne de news no abro ne awie news a ede de obonkrata no ene Adom online stories no to aso e dia montie mo ache wo atitu afi na wo afidie no to ha no yeda se be me na no pe me mo akwa ba
well be joso
e bia boko
na I say de bia do man e try who say sa igira fa ko try na say
asa kasana
sa ne
kasana
yes is
I know.
It's so interesting that for the past 35 years our fight to make sure say ghost names e be free abaya ketua emumamo no kwa na ekoso aban bia so ba
oka mo asemu say unhu di asa eyaka na make say ayakasa asa wanka na asa onye bi ye be ka na ye gya no ho like BBC a ye ni na wo choda
so ye NDC ni ye MPP ni a me sire mo muntie o because say no bogu ye so ba mo ntina ade bi a mo ya mo di amanyo sem fiafia ho bia no ehun nsem no be wi achi na bibi ye ho no maka se ampa enyemfom so ye NDC ni ana ntimi nyemfom so ye MPP ni de yemfom so ne se umma Ghana enna wakoma so ma no kredie ene prepare yo enye adwuma wo wana montu no hihye bia wo de bobra oman no bra. That's the danger, because osha oman from 1992 Bribiada, what we do, and they say, ye quotia, a ye in Samaidia, a war bank cratemua, or no edgy a bank a catria. Any in us will be as I say a trauma swan, I say, I know brass. 1992, young quantity. 1992, near Cosanto, Kawi, and a ya, na one. What Santo Qua, ye could say. Ye kono krana ate galamsi ye kono krana afina santo kono krana pejana
peja me say kwa mi ntwa no we ya be bia hye won se hye hokichi wa bi ene ya ken e chene ma Wednesday e ma eno ano no yanka na ese yanka nti waka da ho en we e de me ko eno a video bi a menes ba ko wo Ganos o send brai osofu bi minim so ko hye ampanifo bi a na former vice ekaho now was say 1971 the question O level question be by and say omo and find a solution to expensive funeral the ntia e kwan be na e be fa so a kama can you e kwan ya e be fa so a e betumi aba from 1971 when you was say like Saturn no 20 years
over 50 years
it's like 47 years and ne there's a abro sokura enne sebi obi ewuo no ye de nesi akonya
ho krasa be ka ho
ni efidi no ye so ye nditese abro sokura enti e bia ni 32 years 1992 abapem ne ya yese de bi ye go snaps ye go snaps still
ye go snaps
enti a just say abaya kasa
ye go snaps on bibia ya ye bia na de amanyosem ana afra nim sa screen unhu anim obi ko anim na e wisi amanyo sa I say ebo asi wo onom nti unhu achi ho nti e beka achiro say ebo ne e be clear ampa okwa na emu ba ase mu hana ase mu dum ase ba sa ne ye eno na me kai mo amonti ase we say NDC fo ukoka NDC wasema omugina pampi na o ma ise bo ukoka NDC wasema eno mo opposition di no e favor mo ana ene wa be na ene wa wo to me mu no ukasa chiro mo pampi o no ma e barry. I don't know what happens if you sit on the seat of power, on that glorious throne. Meaning the SU. Because bibia mo bro subra na mo opposition no. When we refer to you that this is the situation among Sakom, I shall say kitting. Ebe we eche na abe dia ya na say embo nipadua o ebokru. Yesuni e ban embo nipadua o anakuo bi nko anka ya ka say o mo na mo de we mo ni magu aso ati mo nko da bi ese kro ni nyina we are becoming a helpless, hopeless, reckless group of people are ye namusa na ye de ene kro we ni otimu no aforo kawafo abati ni oyi ni kai na oko na nka kro we oko forestry commission eko hoko ka say how can you get that akukudru and the crowd report I made say omonye na say how do you get that akukudru Ghana juma ya nhwe and dey be that me come. Unfortunately, about also you suffer the brunt. Yeah, she hired Jim Obi to me for two National Sports Council. Echo Pam Ghana, Obi Aman engaged, and we have applauded this. And the police says they've not seen it. Let me make a statement. Don't make us contrary to the laws of this country. How do you treat this country like that? How?
Meanwhile, videos were
how? How do we treat this country like that?
Yes, Bekwai District Forestry Commission.
How?
Kofo addresses on your national security for. Ye hu o manim ne ya frɛ ne ya ye an kofo ye adwuma ya koloke.
So we cannot trust politicians again anymore. It doesn't matter who you are. We can't. It's difficult to trust you now. Very difficult. On my dear so GDN be hwehwe akɔnkyɛn no. Se GDN sha se hwehwe akɔnkyɛn be wana grana hwehwe si dadie so. I say breaker we are one day we na si dadie so bo pay nyina bi na kekra na.
Odi akɔhwe ho.
Asai.
Se kwa bra we nyina ye kasa. Chese obeka aso omuntie. Lumba nyom ye ntie obi ala ko omuntie o.
Mesre.
Just obi gyina ha kasa ngwa.
Yeah.
Me wa ye mpanimfo ye de modi ma ye nimu. Mampani abedi akire omonko antumi nye enu ti ni ya hyehye no.
Bibia anyo we sikufo basa ye sha asese ye kan wase. 10 years.
Basa fa nkura ko.
Atetia mankura so asa abo apeso.
Na ho ayi kura twa kakra ateta
no. Abo apeso. It has parents no. PTA na so for you know be ayi nani but aka no konyan kwanhia wi a e ho ne be churo
e be te committee
bia na eka and do no one na ka de bia
e be te committee.
Now what country are we building? A country where the road to success abaye trodi abaye ateni abaye ahomaso abaye lack of honesty and transparency sa kwan ne e foso edidi yie e o Ghana. Are we not worried? Are we not?
Eso bia ye na adwuma.
Are we not worried?
Eso bia ye na adwuma.
I don't. It is when we come and you who papers this na obi eka kan sem kama ni nyina nya adwuma.
Nya adwuma.
Enkrata mu sem kwa ne go sa. Na ka research
abo. Oba de minchwa no we sansem we ye gu hoi. Wo be sa akwa archives bu. Wo be hu the same headline. Na no ye kwa na ada ne ye nkwa yanim. Me wa wo fie a wote wo no family. Ukọ wanim. Sa dan bi mpo na wo si a. What's the same woko wanim? Iti ada ne ye betena ban mu na ye de whole country asemonsa. Ye nyina ye ntimi nya no kwaradifo. De obeyi nanim so odi no kwara. Because ana wo ma na aye. Wo na abeyi o man ni yi. Kese ye num kasa kura.
I can't believe this.
Kasa sa.
We are no more responsible citizens o. Obia
ye de ope.
We are no more responsible citizens. Obia ye de ope.
Ye hia so wo sika.
Come on.
Obefam.
Come on.
Shakura story be a year 25 years. Or 68 year kon.
Now baby asa impunity ni akukudo neba. Na se mo amoya.
We ba be se akukudo na aboso.
Na mo ye amanyosem. Mo na mo so ma ba na vigilante. Mo aso mu pia vigilantes ya na didi mo chibo mo ba na mo de ko. Police for so ye nhwe han. En na be si ne upload for videos we are analyzing the video from Kojo they analyzing video abe prim na be pay arrest a problem for all of us.
I say
how are we saving this country?
Baby yeah investigation e manda na foforo abeto
eja to atomic gas filling station
na be sabere
e hu hwe krata no kra hu
tesesa
eja to tom market ni na e ko fa nkrama efu ama no ne ba e ni nyina
be kom nyina be pem de
why yakasa
ya be investigate ya
yakasa pena why won say wo NDC ntu ne yakasa tia wa dwene boni nti na wo fi say won yakasa tia no yakasa wo MPP there can't we think Ghana a bit and ne kra no wo ya centroni na wo kan kra na wo hwe wa beti say what is that?
It's true na kan centroni ko na dwuma da ne ya bro no
what is this?
E de ne ya bro no o centroni no fom so be no waye sa asam no wahu na wo kan so your problem say ni pampa no kore wahu no kore na wo kan e no wo bro no na no obi din kata ni mu bia kata na ni no odi bone sa
we come every blessed day
and the same thing wo masumbo wo mu akosi say ye na me say ye ni na wo tweda
and the same thing
ewu naturally
every blessed over be bia seem to about
anka story no ye ne ye boss sa akosi say solution be ba me sometimes me blame me ankasa e ba ya ne movie on ye kwofoforo so because stories every day ye tefoforo every day na nya ne say obi akocho obi ti e say no ne e be discuss na no community mu ne obi ti ho e dana no mekum obi o ne e ja no a ye say kwakum obi o mi wa ya te say o kan sa de no nti ya no mo be ne etu ye
so
you know agwa na nke ya fa no ne de ne kɔ ne akɔhwɛ sebi adwen no problem aba ana obi na aye ne bibi ɛdeɛn na ɛkɔ ye be tena wa aye jeans ahwɛ
there's danger ahead there's too much danger ahead
ekum no kwa free
there's danger ahead de bia meka o fa Lagos suapɔnum na ho mrantie ne nketesi a afibia onyame o madom o wie school na hwɛ o man no say yenye ready say you be absorb emukra be 30% into the system. You are asking yourself, say 30 ni cry ji omu we are. E hefa na 70 no. Baby ada hefa mukugu. It is 4 years. 70. Spill over. What is spill over? We are creating a state of chaos and anarchy near the mind. Well, it's all about the work at them every mind. Sometimes I believe say more headlines in Kraba watch it in your communities because
in some
one ye dia chere ho sa tro sa so food di tro review adwedifo di tro obi di tro no man ye di tro na achichere aye fapem and the results e hwe biem e tro nko ofuti na poso na power Ghana. If you want to live right and think Ghana. Yeah, if you are influence here.
Yes,
headline back we are not kokobobi and kai be health wise, not politics wise.
Okay, and health wise, no. The hard dream partner said, yes, poor network connectivity hampers healthcare Wokwa West communities. Tino bia telephone ne ade nko yie ne ti ha apomodin ensem. But we are say me apomodin pa ho nsem hia ya.
E wa na bezo de fa na hefe bim.
Radi hu ye mobo enne wasemi di ka ya ka kire mo dada say accident abeye public health concern na accident ya just ebi america say 6 months this year like 6 months any pewu it's more than COVID the entire country any pass sabi wo mu ye de e de na ye pandemic more than accidents.
Yeah, but see, she has the problem. I don't know this. You can't say
me say menka. You better discuss what asemidi can so. Problem can who can me who can no. Be me who ya say can no. Ebia you know door no. Another baby.
We are behaving. You know, God will be able to say Christopher. Majority of Christians they only go to God. When omo per visa when omo power onya wie pe
ya na yakro no ye re fiu kura ko ye de ho to ya ho so
one other no ya yenko na mo fa go kai say embre
e continue agudie mo nsam Erica said wodi e ba we health tips no neuropathy e beto so stroke nerves no e ho tichima bia wo problem tie sa nkomo yi wo ha bia dog de number no beto no afre mo apomuden ho nsam ehia wonim said your system tia bibi nku because unim say ade me ye me say ntia wono wacho ho afiri ho ba se unimu a wudi gumu za BP no bebre na ohiri mu firi moja na ate ho a unim say utim wo hwe na moja wo be kona is BP ne kosoro me do fe nko check ne ehunu sa ne mani nyina sika ye kan nyina achi eze kura 50 Ghana kura 10 siri kwa ho ayete so twane se see me kasai erike se du body ba *281#*281# option no 4 option 4 na kwhwehwe eno ya Adom TV ukọ hopa utwa wudi twa 10 e dey for 50 cedis no 10 bo ho anso nya 1000 Ghana ona akro nti yakwaba Eric etwaso